Karungi ogu numukuru w'ishomero rya Hoima Public Primary School ogu nagira ngo barekiraho kushomesa ururimo rw'Uruswahili ahabwo kugira ngo tubine mushomesa warwo kandi nayo ngira ngo umushomesa wo batwire bine ahabwe kibine cya kana hamwe n'icya gatano akamara yabarwaho bwa nyuma yo kutunga ishomero erya private eruri kumushashora sente enyinjiho.
I had tried to get a teacher but because he was in private, when he got where he was being paid well, he went for greener pastures. So at the moment I don't have. As a school we had tried to get a teacher at least to teach in primary 4 and 5. Okay. But now we don't have any teacher.
Karungi yashaba government okubasa kurgeka teka henteka eyo kubasa kuba netandikaho okutendeka abashomesa b'ururimo rw'Uruswahili omu matendekero gabo agorrengo rwa primary okwenda kwerinda nkebi.
The new teachers who are coming also, when you find out, when you do research, they tell you that at college they are taught Kiswahili, but when we are going for school practice, they don't even skim it, they don't lesson plan. That means even at college it is not emphasized that they learn it and then come and implement it in the field.
Prisi Irumba oguno mushomesa ow'ururimo rw'Uruswahili ahishomero rya St Muluku Secondary School hamwe na Harriet Karungi orumukuru w'ishomero erya Hoima Public Primary School nabagira ngo entekateka ez'abantu hamwe n'abashomesa hamwe n'abana bagenzi babo bari kuteka mubeji ezikwatirana n'ururimi rw'Uruswahili nizo zikoretera abana barimwe kushomora ururimo ogisireho no kubura abashomesa bo kurushomesa hamwe no kuburwa bitabo ebyo kurushomesezamo.
Changamoto tunayopata wa kufundisha lazima utumie lugha ya Kiingereza ndipo wapate kuelewa vizuri. Usipotumia Kiingereza hauwezi kuelewa chochote. Na wanapenda sana lugha za mama, ndizo zinazowasumbua sana na kutoelewa lugha hiyo ipasavyo.
Yes, the government wants us to teach Swahili and they send some textbooks, but the textbooks they send, even the head teacher cannot read even the Kiswahili of primary 4. So the challenge is most of us left college without being taught Swahili. So when we come to the field and we are told to teach Swahili, we cannot implement because even us, we are not trained to teach Swahili and we don't know even how to read it.
Johnson kusima bingana orukure byo bwegese umuri Hoima City nagira ngo ibintu ebikwatirine n'abantu abarukushomesa ishomero rya Kiswahili hamwe n'ibitabo ebyo kurushomesezamo bikirye kizubu cy'amana munonga cyahika omashomero agaryo mu Rembo rwa Hoima City.
We do not have teachers who are skilled in teaching Kiswahili language, and therefore when it comes to our UPE and particularly the private primary schools, it is not there. It has not taken root because the teachers who are teaching Kiswahili are not there.
Ogona nayo ngira ngo government necumanyira kimwe ko mashomero gatine bitabo byo kushomeseza mu ishomero rya Kiswahili na habwekeye hireyo okugira ngo mubwire butari bwahare ebase kuba nehereza amashomero gona ebitabo byo kushomeseza mu ishomeri.
Government of Uganda through the Ministry of Education is aware of this challenge and is making all efforts possible to contract suppliers in the near future so that these books can be brought to our schools.
Ebyona nibyiza ho bwanyuma y'ihanga rya Uganda okubasa kuba yateka tekera okutaya isorterane rw'ururimo rw'Uruswahili orw'umurundo gwa mushanju orbesere World Kiswahili Day omukwezoku. Uganda ni ihanga rya gashatu bwanyuma ya Kenya hamwe na Tanzania omubinte bikwatirine no kutungura ururimo rw'Uruswahili obwero ko yabera mu kurushomesa omu mashomero gayo omu mahanga garyo mu burwizo rwa Africa kandi eki ekakitandikaho kwenda ngu ekabasa kutungura ururimo rw'Ijariyamba abantu banyensya. Gashakwa Gad asaba ahabwa Sky TV agenshonga.